Okay, tonight I've got a new update from the lab. I've made some improvements and generally cleaned everything up a little bit. I ended up going with the whole cam installed instead of the half-broken one, and relocating it onto the floor, and that reduced the noise and vibration quite a bit. Also, I went through a few power transistors, lower motor power transistors, running at low speed. They seem to get quite hot, so I added its own little fan there to keep things cool, and so far so good. That thing's been running for quite a few hours now. Also, I redid the user interface. Actually just went ahead and used the whole cluster and kind of cleverly rewired the instrument cluster bulbs to suit my purposes here. And I'll give you a quick demonstration. Along the top is the fuel injectors, 1 through 6. Right turn signal is the fuel pump solenoid. High beam indicator is the check engine light, and left turn signal would be the evap solenoid. Down on the bottom, the 2 front doors, the VIS low with the left front door, the VIS high is the right front door. The 2 rear doors are each oxygen sensor heater. I also wired the ABS light for EGR pulse width. Let's see if we could bring it up here for you. See the oxygen sensor heater go off, low VIS, and high VIS. You can see if we bring this down to a low roar here, see how much quieter it runs. Imagine it still sounds pretty loud on the video, but it's sitting right next to it. It's all you really hear is the belt whining. But so far so good. It's a little crude, but it's getting what I need to get done. Okay, thanks for watching.